All right, you guys, finna start my day off. We got come on, Isaiah's in the building. Let's go. Let's go. I'm ready. All right, you guys, we got something in the mail, and a little unboxing real quick. Styling comb. Wouldn't you know?
HustleDreamProduction.
Got another unboxing. I don't even know where this is from. Let me peek in here real quick before I show you guys. Oh snap. Another styling comb. Another one. I got another one. Okay, so we're just gonna open this up. This is kind of all guess what this is. Okay. Let's see here. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, yes. I should have threw this one behind me. Hold on, let's get that same energy. Let's keep the same energy here. Yes indeed. Yes indeed, I had to recop these. You see the tag. The tag is jingling. You see it. All right, let's get back to cutting some hair. YouTube, check it out. I got goals, okay? I got goals. I want to reach like 1 million followers on Instagram. Now, I'm not telling you guys to run over there and help me reach that goal. That's not what I'm saying. I'm not saying, hey, go follow me on Instagram to reach that goal. What I'm saying is I'm trying to inspire the shop. I'm trying to inspire everybody with hard work. You could basically do anything. So I'm gonna put in work on Instagram as well as YouTube. I'm just gonna take Instagram a little bit more serious, okay? Just a little bit, all right? I mean, 100% a lot, okay? A lot more serious, but I'm gonna take Instagram a lot more serious, and I'm gonna see if I can get to 1 million by the end of the year, okay? Now, again, I'm not saying go over there and follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna let my Instagram do what my Instagram do, all right? But yeah, set goals for yourself, all right? That's how you get things done. It's like set goals for yourself. Make sure like you write them down. Do something to where, you know, you keep yourself accountable. That's basically what I'm doing by telling you guys. I'm just keeping myself accountable, and I'm gonna see how, you know, how well I do by the end of the year. So yeah, write down your goals. All right, YouTube, we got a waiver in the building. State your name, where you're from, address, your cell phone number. We got a waiver in the building, man. He been whooping for how long?
It's like 12 weeks.
12 weeks?
Yeah.
We about to see what he working with real quick. Wait, hold on. First of all, let's. Where'd you get this do-rag from? It looks nice.
Yeah,
so many ways or what?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, y'all. You already know. Wave check. Ooh. Swirl. Looking real nice. You said how many weeks?
12.
12 weeks?
Yeah.
All right, you guys. 12 weeks worth of work in effect. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. Crispy. Hold on, let's just focus in on the waves. Killing with the waves. Sir, any social media?
Yes. Check me out. I am Architect 718 on Instagram. That's your boy.
Listen, link will be
Down
somewhere
below.
right here. Down below. We out.